Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I will show you the basics of playing aircraft carriers in World of Warships. First, your ship stays in the back. Carriers are weak in close combat, so always stay far away from the front lines and move with your team. To control your planes, press 1 to launch a squadron. Use WSAD or your joystick if you're using controller to move your carrier. Use mouse to aim your planes. Usually, you have 3 planes. If we go to our tech tree here, go to a, let's say tiers 4 carrier, and click on go to equipment, you usually have 3 planes. One is heavy explosive rocket aircraft carriers, next is torpedo bombers, and the next are dive bombers, which is what we usually call them. Rocket planes, or high explosive planes, are usually used for destroyers. Torpedo bombers are usually used against battleships and cruisers, and dive bombers for heavy damage and fires. When attacking, line up your target, wait for the aiming reticle to shrink, and then drop your weapons. Make sure to always use your scouts first. Spotting enemies is one of your biggest jobs. Your team depends on your vision. Avoid strong anti-airships. Don't waste planes on heavy anti-air targets. Look for isolated enemies instead. Manage your planes carefully. Don't attack if you lose your whole squadron. Recall planes with F if it's too dangerous. And always help your team. Help them spot destroyers, finish low HP ships, and force enemies to use damage control. And that's it. Stay safe, scout smart, and strike wisely to be an effective aircraft carrier in World of Warships.